Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to an incredible tool that will take your creative journey to new heights. We're talking about Midjourney, the ultimate text-to-image generator that will revolutionize the way you bring your ideas to life. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into the fascinating world of Midjourney. Before we get started, let me give you a quick overview of what we will cover in this video. First, we will take a look at what Midjourney is and how it works. Then, we will explore the Airpm extension and see how it seamlessly integrates with popular writing platforms. Finally, we will dive into some real-life examples and demonstrate how you can enhance your writing prompts with Midjourney. Are you ready? Let's go. Midjourney is a cutting-edge text-to-image generator that allows you to transform your written descriptions and ideas into stunning visual representations. With just a few simple steps, you can create captivating images that perfectly capture the essence of your narrative. Whether you are a writer, a content creator, or simply someone who loves to express their imagination, Midjourney will be your ultimate companion on this creative quest. Before working with Midjourney, we should talk about Airpm extension. Let's see what Airpm is. This incredible extension integrates seamlessly with popular writing platforms like ChatGPT. With Airpm, you can effortlessly increase the efficiency of your prompt and text. Now I am going to show you how this works and how we are going to make a useful prompt by normal text with the help of Airpm extension. I am not going to show you all works of Airpm extension because this video is centered on Midjourney. That's why we are only going to create some useful text-image prompt with the help of Airpm extension. Now let's see how this works. After installing the Airpm extension, you have to integrate it with ChatGPT account. Don't worry, this is very simple process. Now let's see some use cases of it. First, you have to start a new chat and then you have to enter text for your image. For example, I want to create an image of 25-year-old beautiful Indian girl in sari and the background of image should be village field and the weather of image is cold. So enter this text to your text area in ChatGPT. Now you can see ChatGPT give us multiple prompts for our image. Let's copy one of them and now see the further process. Now that you're excited about Midjourney, let's talk about how you can get started. To begin, visit the Midjourney website and join the Discord server. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the powerful image generation capabilities. Click on Newbies section and select one of them. Now paste the copied prompt here after the imagine and press enter. Wait for few seconds until the image is generated. Woohoo! Our image is generated. You can upscale our image and add many more styles on it. If you have watched this video so far, then you will going to receive a bonus. This is interesting. You can use above prompt in Bluewillow AI for image generation. Let's see how this works. First, join the Discord server of Bluewillow AI. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the powerful image generation capabilities. Click on Rookies section and select one of them. I am going to copy another prompt for our work. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Now paste the copied prompt here after the imagine and press enter. Wait for few seconds until the image is generated. Now you can see our image is generated. You can upscale our image and add many more styles on it. As we wrap up this video, I want to encourage you to embrace your creativity and explore the limitless possibilities that Midjourney offers. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting your journey, this tool will undoubtedly elevate your work to new horizons. So, go ahead and give it a try. Let your imagination run wild, and let Midjourney be your trusted companion along the way. Well, that brings us to the end of our journey exploring Midjourney, the incredible text-to-image generator tool that will unleash your creativity like never before. I hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. Remember, with Midjourney, you have the power to transform your written words into captivating visuals that breathe life into your ideas. So go ahead, embrace this powerful tool, and let your imagination soar to new heights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions down below. I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity. This is Zair signing off. Take care and happy creating.